I am unboxing the Glowforge. Well, I couldn't wait to put my kids down for a nap to unbox the actual machine. So it's out, but I'm gonna do a first run for sure. I've been waiting for this thing. I think it said it was gonna take 2 weeks, and then I got ordered it maybe a week ago and got updated shipping that it would be here today. So I'm super stoked. I live in Arizona. I believe it's coming from Oregon. Note to self, keep all of the packaging. I've heard over and over on their website to keep everything. There's a cost if you have to ship your Glowforge back for any reason if you don't have the packaging. So even these little clips that go on the sides of the boxes, when you open it, things inside, there's a bag. All the styrofoam, keep it just cause. What came in this small box was just the proof grade material. I believe this comes free. $75 of proof grade material with the medium sized Glowforge, which I purchased. Of course, the dryer vent. This is for like what you get to stick out the window. Power cord, and then crumb tray also came inside the small box. Big box is the Glowforge itself, which I'm super excited to get my hands on and get cutting. Okay, so. Remove front foam block closest to the lower front door. We did that to the left and right. You'll find red knobs. Unscrew, pull them out. Cool. Yep. Boom. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay. Reveal printer head. Remove the top layer from the rear foam block. I feel like maybe I was already supposed to do this. Or maybe not. Let's not do that yet. There we go. Alright. Let's remove this here. Gently now. Okay. Pull the tape from the point farthest away from you towards you. Gently remove it from the wire. You don't need to save the tape. Okay, I was right. Here we go. Wire ribbon gently. Okie dokie. Hope that was gentle enough. So if I hang there. Under the glass tube, you find an orange clip. Push down, and it will pop off. This guy. Wow. Cool. Push the laser tube back gently, then lift off the 2 red silicone strips. Push it back gently. Done. Glowforge Pro only. We don't have the Pro, we have the Plus. But okay. Glowforge, it says time to open your accessory pack. Woo! Slide in the crumb tray. Lift the lid of your Glowforge and the lower front door. Here we go. Let's see. I think we just pull on it. Yep. Just give it a little yank. And then you go ahead and grab that black crumb tray that came with the accessories pack. And make sure the handle is in the front and the wide black plastic strip in the black back. Handle front, big black plastic strip in the back. Cool. And using 2 hands, push it. Slide the cum tray in until you feel feet settle in the dimples of the base. Cool. A little bit shaky. Make a little more room here. Boom. There it is. All right. Slide in the cum tray. Make sure your handle is in the front. That's this here. You want to make sure this piece is showing up front. Close the front door. Oh, here we go. Not the top though. Position the laser arm and metal plate. Gently slide the metal plate to the laser arm all the way to the right. Slide the metal. Boom. And then push the arm to the back of the unit. Okay. Carefully pick up the printer head. That is this guy in here. I'm going to go ahead and pick him up. Well, it says do not touch any part of the print head that is not flat black with metal. Okay, cool. Flat black with metal. I'm going to stick around this logo if I can. Be especially careful of the yellow window on the side. Oh, good. I'm glad my finger didn't touch it. This guy on the side. Of the head, remove the printer head from the white foam tray and remove the orange foam cylinder from inside the head. Boom, that guy. Exciting. See what's going on there? And we got, remove the printer head from the white foam tray. Did that. Cylinder. Pick up the wire ribbon. This guy. Make sure it's facing up. Slide the ribbon into the head until it clicks. And I am assuming that is going to go right in here. Yep. Okay. Click. As shown, the printer head over the metal plate so that it rests next to the two round posts. Don't touch the yellow thing. Well, that's the front door falling down. I must not have pushed that in very tight. Okay, look like magnets. As shown, lower the printer head over the metal plate so that it rests next to the two round posts. Then push it gently away from you until you feel it click as the magnets set in. Yo, magnets, where you at? Maybe it needs to be up. Yep. Durr. Okay. Boom. Easy. Just had it the wrong way. Make sure that Glowforge logo is facing up. Alright. That is on both hands. Laser. Using both hands, gently move the laser arm to the center of the bed. Gently slide the head all the way to the left, then the right. If it doesn't slide easily, make sure the ribbon cable is a simple loop with no twists as shown. Okay, so let's move this gently to the center, and then it says gently slide the head all the way from the left, then again to the right. Seems pretty smooth. No twists. Move the head back to roughly the center of the bed under the lid camera. Lid camera, center of the bed. That's where we're at. Close the front door. Lower the lid of your Glowforge. Save everything. So again, it's telling you if you need to ship your Glowforge, for example, any warranty service, you'll need the original parts. Boxes, handle locks, foam, and the important orange and red bits. Store them safely. Replacement packing materials are a whopping $249. So yeah. all those, like, you know, you buy your laptop and think you need to save it and then you throw it away. You never need it. With this, it looks like you're definitely going to need it. So, set up exhaust. All right, here we go. Boom. Here is our exhaust. And using the hose provided, slide the ring clamp around the hose and squeeze to then the clamp over the exhaust. All right, so let's just go ahead and, let's see, take this bit off. I've got 3 babies. 1 is napping, 2 are playing with Legos in the other, just next door in the other room. So hopefully this is finished up quickly. They'll be knocking soon. Okay, 2 rings, the hose, slide the ring clamp, the 2 sets. So I got this like funky thing going on with this. You could probably just clip that off or like tuck it back if you have to. Probably gonna send that end out the window and use this end on the back of the Glowforge. So, pretty sure how these things work are squeeze, whoa, squeeze there, put it around, we'll put it on the back of the Glowforge. So, let me see here, yep, let me give you another little angle so we can see what I'm doing. Giant beast. Alright, so there is a vent hole. Let me see if you can get a better shot. Here we go, vent hole. I'm gonna go ahead and put it around, back it up a little bit onto here so we have a little bit more pulled through. Just kind of put it around and then secure it with the ring. All right. Here we go. We're going to start this hooking up. So ensure your Glowforge is off. Make sure your Glowforge is turned off, the O is depressed, and then connect the power cable. I don't know. Oh. How do you know that? I don't know. Now I've pressed it enough times that I can't really tell. So we're going to go with that and hope I don't just ruin the machine. Looks like on... Oh, maybe we're talking about the back of it. Yep. There's an on-off switch in the back and you want the O to be turned down. So, perfect. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. So, plug in the Glowforge, grounded while you need 800s of power. Turn on your Glowforge. So, on the back of it, go ahead and turn it on, and there she goes. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Can you see what's going on here? I don't even know what's happening, but it looks cool. And it's making cool noises. And I instantly feel cooler having this right now. So, lights will come on, the head will move, you might start to hear a bubbling sound. That's the button, the units button will glow teal. There it is, it's glowing teal. Let me see if I can't get some.